welcome or welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with another wig slay. Wig is actually from Alipearl. This is my first time ever ordering from Alipearl. I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I installed this wig. A bunch of you guys have asked me to do a little makeup tutorial, so I quickly showed you guys how I did today's makeup look, and I feel really cute. This is a 16-inch, you guys. I've never had 16-inch curly, kinky curly wig like this, and it's giving me natural hair goals. We have no baby hairs out today, and it's just really giving what it's supposed to give, you know what I mean? So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Let's hop straight into it. you guys, this is how the hair and makeup turned out. I genuinely like it. I decided not to do baby hairs because not everybody likes baby hairs. I feel like with curly units, you can either go the route of not putting baby hairs on there, or you can add crazy baby hairs if you like. I got the length 16. I did bleach the knots. I inserted clips of showing you guys that. I bleached the knots and I actually plucked the hairline a bit. I didn't like pluck it too much because I find that as like years, let's say, or months go by, if you pluck your hairline too much, you don't have much wiggle room when it comes to the actual wig. So you guys, I got the length 16 and I do think that it's super cute. It definitely stretches down to like my boob area if I, bless you, so wanted it like that. I think that it's super full. I didn't like cut or do anything when it comes to like adding layers to the hair, and I genuinely think that this is a nice texture, a nice length, definitely very manageable and realistic. When I was washing the hair, I didn't find that it was tangling. I'm only gonna know if it's gonna tangle in like a week or two, so maybe I can come back and give you guys an update if you guys are interested in that. But like day 1 or day 2, whenever I normally wear curly units, they don't tangle. It comes when I'm having it on for like a week or so. I'll know if it's gonna tangle or not. So when it came to washing the hair, I normally use a detangling brush, and I find that the detangling brushes, especially with curly hair, invest. Get you a detangling brush because you're gonna need it. But you guys, I absolutely love this hair. This is a kinky curly unit. It's definitely more kinky than I've ever like been used to. However, the curls are just so luscious and they are so bomb. So if you guys have been looking for a wig like this, Alipearl, low-key, you guys' hair is doing it for me. I like the inside. Papa finger. I like the inside of the unit, and I actually like the fact that it didn't have combs around the like front nape area, because not nape, but like the front side area, because typically like if it has combs and you're not trying to do glueless and you're trying to glue it down, that kind of makes it bulky. But you guys, I am low-key feeling this hair. Like, this is super cute, and I think that when I am to actually style it, put it in like ponytails and stuff, it's gonna be super cute. Another thing that I wanted to state to you guys was the siding. The parting on the side is a bunch of parting space. So I got like this much parting space. Typically with a lot of the wigs that I have been like reviewing, the parting space has been like super small. So they have a deep parting space. So if you wanted to do like a deep side swoosh, they give you that option. I am a happy camper. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little wig slay. I did 2 layers of glue. So far the Erica J wig glue has really been doing it for me. I feel like if you're looking for like a seamless install, for 1, you need to bleach your knots, and for 2, you need to invest in a good glue. So yeah guys, I'll catch y'all in my next video because I am loving this hair.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevinci.